And here we go, this should give us 20 defense. Or 19 defense. Guess we're a little bit shy of it. Here we go, 20 defense. Alright, I decided just to train it up with a bone spear real quick. That way we could move on to the next couple quests. Alright, there we go with 50 Slayer. And it's funny, just as we get 50 Slayer, we are also about to get 300 points, allowing us to get our Slayer helmet. Let's just finish off this task real quick. There we go, there's 300 Slayer points. We did it all through Wildy Slayer, it only took 12 tasks, very simple. Okay, just finishing off this last task. Turns out I don't need 300 points, I need 400 points. So